This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up sternos. Sternos are a fantastic way to keep your food warm, especially for events or buffets. They offer a consistent, flameless heat source, making them a popular choice. We'll cover everything from placement to safe handling, ensuring your setup is both effective and secure. Let's get started with the fundamentals of sterno placement. Proper placement is key for efficient heating. You'll want to position your sternos directly beneath the water pan of your chafing dish. For most standard chafing dishes, using 2 sternos provides optimal and even heat distribution. Make sure they are level and have a small gap between the flame and the water pan for air circulation. This ensures your food stays perfectly warm throughout your event. Lighting sternos safely is crucial. Always use a long-stemmed lighter or match to ignite the wick, keeping your hands a safe distance away. It's best to light the sternos before you place the food pan into the chafing dish, giving them a moment to establish a steady flame. Remember, never leave lit sternos unattended, and always keep them away from flammable materials and curious hands. When your event concludes, extinguishing sternos properly is simple. Use the snuffer cap provided with the sterno to completely cover the flame, cutting off the oxygen supply. Allow the cans to cool down entirely before attempting to handle or store them. Store any unused or partially used sternos in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight or other heat sources for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.